trading alchemist.
We don't chase it, we craft it.
Good morning all. Me again, Trading Alchemist. It's day 4, gonna start now. London is gonna be opening in 20 minutes. And before I go with trading, I thought maybe we can take a quick look what's going on with that challenge for the last 3 days. So basically, this is the dashboard I'm getting. We can see we need to reach that 53,000. Right now we at 50,571 and 74 cents. So basically we're moving forward a bit slowly, not rushing, not over leveraging, except that one day when I was really negative, like over 400. The second day, and also I was in a drawdown for the last London trade, so it was quite probably over 600 in drawdown total for that day. So that what's that showing? With just simple truth about the trading, because sometimes you can just going and do really good, and the next day you just lose everything, and spiral goes on, and you lose one trade, second trade, and look like you started to a bit maybe going bigger sizes or whatever, and you just looking at that just wiped the whole process. And that's the reality for a lot of traders, and it's not just about the new traders, but also about some who has years of real experience. So we all humans, we all going through that, we're going through tilts and to losing control. But I guess that's the way, that's why we need to work with ourselves, each of us. So this is really hard journey, and the most hardest part is not about strategies and trading itself, but about ourselves. So we need to consistently fight the inner self, and actually just reprogram everything what's in our nature. So that's why this this sector has such a huge failure rate, and a lot of guys just never make it through. So yeah, that's just a quick glance what's going on. What else we have? Trade histories and analysis. Yeah, shows all of our 3 days. It shows a lot of trades, but like this one, I think it was just one trade with partials. One trade. So I had 5 micros, and it just shows this way. It's not, I don't know why they're showing that, probably because of contracts and futures. It doesn't make sense, because it's just the partials. But yeah, so basically my plan for today is, I'm still considering, maybe I did quite well yesterday with gold, so why not? Maybe I will keep pushing gold again. It depends from price action. If the price action for gold not gonna be in for me, I might jump to NQ. So yeah, I might jump to NQ and try NQ. However, I think I said this before, for the last I don't know months, I'm leaning more and more out from NQ, and I know that a lot of people doing the same and feeling the same. So this is probably, I don't know, just we started to get a lot of PTSDs with bad experiences with NQ, all these fakes and manipulations and things like that. I still like charting and watching NQ most of the time. I still trying to trade NQ most of the time. However, I don't know. I'm just consistently thinking about new assets such as gold, and I'm testing right now the gold scalps, and looks like it works quite okay. And also I'm thinking about maybe currencies, but currencies I would trade like for longer high time frame, not scalps like I'm doing with gold or NQ. I might trade longer moves and bigger time frames. So that's just my thoughts about everything before I start. And yeah, this computer looks like, for this computer I'm in a different computer right now, that recorder is not a problem, but for my home, where I was trading in the evening, it looks like it just lags too much, and I need to think maybe I need to change it and bring the new one. So change the computer in there. I will think about that, and I think I'm gonna sort this out. So next time, I'll be. I think I should be okay. So okay, I think I will meet you in the charts. Oh my god! I can't believe this. I mean, I was recording my London session trades, and it just somehow the file corrupted. So you just stuck video, and I cannot extract it. So yeah, sorry about that, but I will explain what I did. Basically, I was trying to trade NQ. I had like 2 attempts, and both of them happened here. Why here? I was talking a lot about NQ. I might try to talk now about what happened and what I was expecting and what I see. But yeah, basically where we are right now is exactly this gap from Friday close to Sunday open. We just came here to fill the gap, so that's okay. I was waiting for that fill, and once we just filled it, I was trying to short it, because yeah, why not? We filled the gap. We took previous day high, and it was a previous day high here. I think let me see. Oh no, actually that level is not previous day high. Previous day high we have below right here, but that level, let's change the color in blue. That level actually is the real, on a smaller time frame, the real gap. I mean the gap closure, because if you take 5 minutes, it was Friday last 5-minute candle, and we closed here on Friday. So that's the real level, and it actually, we can see this is the real one because of how it behaves around. But if you take a daily, that's probably a tip if you want to be more precise. If you take a daily, that would be here by the daily candle. However, I want to be more precise, so I take from 5 minutes. So basically, what happened here? Well, first of all, I tried to short right here. We filled that gap right here with that momentum, and we started to retrace. So we took, previous day high, we took, that filled the gap, and we actually inversed here. So I was trying to short, not even here, but as you see, my entry was on this candle. So I entered somewhere on a come back a bit. Yeah, and that's what my stop was, and I was targeting just the partials, some here at below, some at previous day high. Yeah, unfortunately Nasdaq had another plans, and you see that 5-minute line, so it just reacted really hard from that area and just pushed it straight up. And since once it did it, and I thought, okay, probably it's not gonna be not gonna end well. So that's what happened. It just wicked me out here. So I said, okay, I'll do my second entry once I watch something, I was expecting maybe to take some liquidity from here, which I marked. However, once I saw this one, I was looking at 5 minutes. I switched to higher time frame, and I was looking at that break of this green candle. So right here, I was getting that break. Also, at that time, that line was exactly 1 hour break. So 1 hour candle was swept, and not just swept, but actually we did not even manage to close it. So we were just sweeping with the wick, and yeah, once I saw that, I was saying, okay, let me go and take it. So I took it here, and my stop was here. I would be still in the trade, as you see. However, I started to take some partials. I took one here at that low because I was expecting us to come back, and we did. So I added one more here. So once I added here, I was holding all this time. This is just almost 1 hour, and it was like teasing, and I didn't like that. And we started to drop, so I took one away at that line again of gap start, and we wicked in. So this is not what my exit was. Actually, exit was on this wick. It just manipulated. Once I moved my stop loss right here, it just made something crazy, like NQ loves to do. This one, it just damn wicked it so hard, and just took me away. So on a fast trade, I was like $150 in a loss. On a second trade, I was almost on a break even at this place. However, I was just partial, and so I still was holding a contract, and once it wicked me, I'm right now minus $81 in London. And I just tried these two trades. However, that's the reasons why I really thinking about leaving that prick NQ, because I would probably still be okay. As you see, my target that would be still good, still valid. Probably it will still go down there. But yeah, like I said, NQ just, I don't know. I'm just a bit sick of that, and I'm gonna probably start looking for more trades in a gold right now and see. I don't know. I said this this is not my first time I'm saying this for myself, and most of the times I'm always coming back to NQ. So is that I probably I don't know, will I change myself in that perspective, or it's gonna be just one of these times when I'm just like sick of that NQ. However, I'm just getting back to that abusive partner again. So I don't know, but we will see. So that's what happened for me in London. 2 trades, 1 loss, 1 kinda, I would say, winner, because I managed to reduce my loss. So this is a positive. Sadly, I was not able to close it here. My last contract, if I would be at break even. But yeah, this challenge is going slow. For myself, what I see, okay, even now, after this loss, we almost 500 in profit. So it's only the start of 4 days. So if you have like 20 trading days, this still probably a bit too slow. I would like to increase maybe the size, because if I need a 3,000 and I'll make like, it's not gonna be every day green day, so this might be not enough. By this speed, I might be not enough to finish that in a month. So I might need to increase. I'm still considering to come back to gold and try more scalps, maybe more risky, but this why I did not rush this yet, because I was thinking if I do that with a higher risk, I might go to other direction, and because I wanted at least to make a few series, few videos about this journey. So I don't want to lose this challenge in like 2 days in case something wrong happens. So that's why probably I was just not rushing, wanted to make some content for myself, for YouTube. And now it's the 4th day, so I have that some content, I think, and journaling for myself. It's okay. So I might increase it, and what happens is gonna be what happens. I mean, it doesn't matter if I fail it. That's just part of the process. That means it's not the end. I might start a new challenge and do it again. So this is the case of trader behavior. You cannot, you never ever stop, and you never give up. So that's probably what makes you to succeed in that industry or not, because the ones who fail, they're not actually failing, they're just giving up. So yeah, that's it. I think that's it. That's all I wanted to say. Sadly, I broke my record, so no trades. But like I said, if something happens, I always will explain what I was doing, and yeah. Okay, I was thinking to leave it for the London. However, I saw gold coming to my level, and I will try to scalp this one for a few micros, and we will see how it goes.
I used to trade my mood like it was gold. 1 green bar, I'm brave. 1 red, I fold. I made the charter courtroom. I'm on trial, trying to buy back peace with another mile. But speed don't heal you, it just hides the crack. And one more is the light that pulls you back. So now I watch my body when it starts to shout. If my pulse wants war, that's my cue to step out.
Alright, so I guess that's it. Looks like, let me see, looks like, yeah. Good trade again with the gold. I'm not surprised. I like gold. Like I said, looks like for me at this challenge gold saves us, because this trade actually brought us back to break even, like $10 positive for a day. So yeah, this trade made for us like $90. Yeah, so break even session for me. Gold saved us again.
Follow plan. Lock in. No till. Turn stress.
Yeah.
Into skill.
Yeah, I don't chase breakouts if the setup ain't ready. I don't size up big when my mind ain't steady. I respect the drawdown, I respect the math. 1 week of flex can erase a whole path. They want glory trades, I want boring gains. I want repeatable moves and no weather, no flames. Loss is tuition, I pay it and learn, but I don't pay twice, that's when...
Skill.
No magic, just method, just the alchemy.